Hey guys, welcome to another video. My name is David Pinto. They also call me Tips with Dave. And in today's video, we are going to be looking at System.io. This is going to be a tutorial on the use case of how do you actually delay elements on your page to help you maybe not be that spammy in your marketing, because I know this is one thing that definitely people really want to learn about, but also it gives you real urgency to your sales pages and so on. It helps you improve your skills of marketing. So I'm going to hop onto my computer. It's going to be a quick tutorial. I hope you like this video and let's get into it. All right, folks, here I am on my screen and I am excited to share this video. First of all, I want to welcome you guys to the channel. If you're here for the first time, this channel is all about affiliate marketing skill sets. I teach you not only on a weekly basis, basically you get videos about specifically System.io, but I'm here also to use use cases, my own use cases, other use cases to help you with your marketing skills. So if you're interested in just bringing more awareness and stuff like that, then make sure you do subscribe to the channel below. Otherwise, let's get into the tutorial today. So first and foremost, we're going to be using a tool called System.io. Now, in order for you to get started with System.io, you can utilize what I'm sharing today absolutely for free with the System.io tool. However, I personally am on the startup plan, which just makes more sense. I pay $27 per month. I'm just saying that up front. So I'll leave links in the description to the free, the startup, and the annual startup plan, so that you can decide if you want to save 30% more. You can get the startup plan. Otherwise, just go and get started for free. Okay, so we're going to be using System.io. That's the first thing, and everything that I do with my marketing is done with this tool. So if you want to save a lot of money of not implementing other tools, then consider System.io. Okay, that's all I will say. Let me get into it and go to the section. So what we're going to be looking at today is, let me give you an example. Okay, so let me give an example exactly what I mentioned. I'm going to go to this funnel, which is called a map funnel. It's a very simple two-step funnel that I created for a product that is a high ticket product actually right now at the moment of when I'm speaking, not high ticket, but a mid ticket product. But it is something that I'm building right now a customer base for, so that in the future I can start to market to this list. So I'm building my list with this customer base, and obviously if I do make sales, that's great, but my intention is not to make a sale immediately, but is to be able to bring awareness to the list that I'm building, and so on and so forth. So I want to be marketing in what way? I'm getting people to an email list, so an email campaign, and they get 7 emails. Okay, just literally 7 emails from me. Once they get those 7 emails, then they are also be taken to a page which is giving them a presentation of what I'm talking about. And if they want to get that product already, they can get it already. And if they want to wait, they can wait as well after those 7 days are done. That's simply it. I'm keeping it very simple, right? And this is my entire funnel. So this is the squeeze page that you can see right here. Sorry, this is the thank you page. Or as you can see right here, the thank you page in the funnel. These are video updates. Well, let me check this. So let me just scroll down. Okay, so this is not the thank you page. I believe this is the thank you page right here. So we'll just show you. And so this is the page that they go, they get onto the email list. They see the sales page right here. And as you can see, it's a very simple page. It has my image, it has my video and everything there. And then when they click here, they get taken to the next page right here. Okay, so now it'll show that you cannot go in. Whoops, because I'm already logged into my account. So obviously I need to clear cookies to be able to get onto the access page. Okay, but in general, like this, they basically takes them to the the affiliate product or service, right? It's a very simple way. However, you guys might think that this is all the page that exists, right? But it's not. Why? Because at a certain point, I'm going to edit the page and show you exactly how it looks. So the real page looks like this, guys. Okay, so the real page looks with the yes, as you saw. And then here below, there's this element which says check out my lifetime bonuses. So these will be displayed only to members, only to people who have gone through my video up here after a certain point of time. Why am I doing that? I'm doing that because I want really interested, high quality customers to actually get my support and get my lifetime bonuses. So at this point, I want this information right here to be only displayed to those people who are serious. So if they're watching the video and a certain time passes, then this will display. Otherwise, the page will look just like this. So I'm going to show you how to actually do that. So there's a certain time frame. Actually, I think it's 5 minutes, that after 5 minutes of the video, this will display, this will display, this will display, and obviously there's another button that displays as well after that 5 minutes. Now, how do you go about doing these things? How do you actually go about doing this? So if I go to view page, just to show you, it will only show me this button right here. If I leave this page open and continue to do this video, and after 5 minutes, I'm not going to do that right now, it will then show up like that. Okay, so let me just do what I'm going to do is I'm going to change the timing just a little bit so that you guys can see how it works. Okay, so let's go to display. I believe it's here. No, I think it's, yeah, let me just check. Here we go. So it's 300. Let me just put it, because this has to be done in terms of seconds. Okay, so I'm going to put it as 3 seconds just so that you guys can see, okay, how it works. And I'm also going to do the same for this section right here. We're going to change it to 3 seconds so that you just see how it works and it's available. Okay, so let me just go here and then we view the page and you'll see how it looks. So this is the page, and this is all that's there. And now basically after 3 seconds, voila, this appears below. So people can scroll down and they can check out everything that's available. So this is how I like to promote, just because I give the person what they need, and any other information that's available to the offer that I'm promoting gets displayed at that right time. And you can have these elements displayed at different times of your entire sales journey. And it's very simple. So this is the layout in the funnels itself. So when you create a page, I'm using this as an example, but when you create a page, you basically have the elements right here, blocks right here, and all of these elements can be edited as we go along, right? So now we're going to be, the easiest way, in my opinion, is to edit sections. So you have a section, you have the text after that. So just to give you guys an understanding, you have section, you have row, you have 2 columns, 3 columns, etc. So this is the column layout as a whole. So I've added a section here, and I basically want to edit this entire section right here. This entire section should be displayed after. Do you want this to always be visible? Basically, if it's sticky, it says this feature makes, yeah, okay. So you can also scroll. We'll talk about this feature another day, but let's just go on, and I will put 300 seconds, which is what I want. And then I will do the same thing for this section right here. We go back down here, scroll down, and it says delay before displaying item, another 300. Okay, so it's always in seconds. Remember that it's not in minutes, it's always in seconds, so you can display it in different way. And then item visible on desktop and mobile, this is what you can also do. So for example, let's say if somebody comes on mobile, you want it always to be displayed, or you don't want an item to be displayed, you can switch that off as well. Okay, so that's available for you. But this is pretty much it, in my opinion. I told you it's going to be a really super simple tutorial. I wanted to show you guys how to do it. Why? Because it's helping me. Okay, so let's just think, I'm going to give you a use case. This is the exact use case that I'm doing for myself. I have a video, I have a sales process. So somebody joins into the opts in that puts in the email address, and then they go to the sales page. You don't want to confuse them. You want them to see only that sales page. Okay, this is the best form of marketing, because you're taking the person through that customer journey one step at a time, right? So when you take that person through the journey one step at a time, you're basically now giving them clear directions. So at a certain point of time in your video, especially if it's a long sales video like I have, basically a webinar, then you can have those different bonuses available at different sections. So when they are available at different sections, that just gives higher intention for more conversions at the end of the day. This has been working really well for me to get people to the actual product or service. Okay, I'm not talking about whether it's sales or not, but it really helps me to get people to the actual product or service. Okay, that's what the criteria is, or the priority is for the use case. I hope that helps. You can do this example with literally each and every element on your page. It's not only sections, guys. Imagine if you want a text to be displayed after a certain point. Listen, just click on text, go down here and say delay before displaying item, and select the seconds that you want. So literally each and every section on this page is available, and can be edited. All of this for absolutely free, guys. System.io, I cannot keep boasting about it. If you're really interested in getting the tool, the links are in the description. Otherwise, I hope this video was useful for you. Please go ahead and use it in this manner, and you'll learn how to display items much more easily. And this way you're learning the tool as we go along as well. So make sure you hit that subscribe button, the bell notification, guys. If you like the video, comment below if you need any help, and I will catch up with you in the next video. Have a great day. Keep paving the way for your dreams to come true.